Dive into the excitement of learning by doing. Are you ready to transform the way you learn and turbocharge your brain power? Dive into the thrilling world of learning by doing, where every lesson is an adventure and every mistake is a stepping stone to success. Learning by doing is an exhilarating approach that takes you from the sidelines straight into the action. Imagine learning through hands-on experiences where you're not just absorbing information but actively engaging with it. Let's break down why this method is a game changer. 1. Dive into the action. Instead of sitting back and listening, you're diving into activities that spark your curiosity and ignite your passion. Picture yourself conducting experiments, building projects, or even role-playing scenarios. These activities stimulate observation and thoughtful reflection, leading you to develop hypotheses and generate creative concepts that you can immediately put into action. 2. Unleash your inner explorer. Forget passive learning. With learning by doing, you're encouraged to explore independently, test new ideas, and embrace mistakes as learning opportunities. Whether you're coding a new app, crafting a piece of art, or solving a real-world problem, every step you take brings you closer to deeper, more meaningful learning. 3. Connect to the real world. What's more exciting than seeing how your knowledge applies in the real world? This approach bridges the gap between theory and practice, allowing you to use your skills in practical, everyday contexts. Imagine applying your math skills to design a budget or using your science knowledge to create an eco-friendly garden. These experiences make your learning journey relevant and impactful. 4. Boost your superpowers. Learning by doing doesn't just fill your brain with facts, it supercharges your creativity, critical thinking, and problem-solving skills. You'll also develop teamwork, decision-making, and self-assessment abilities, all essential superpowers in today's dynamic job market. Picture yourself as a creative problem solver who can tackle any challenge with confidence and flair. As you can see, the magic of learning by doing lies in its ability to actively engage you. Traditional methods might have you passively receiving information, but this approach puts you in the driver's seat by constructing knowledge through experience, experimentation, and reflection. You become a master of your own learning journey. So, are you ready to embark on an educational adventure? Join the revolution of learning by doing and unlock your full potential today. For more tips, tricks, and techniques to supercharge your learning, don't forget to subscribe to Studying Machine. Let's make learning fun, exciting, and incredibly effective.